Five Eyes nations have raised concerns about the actions of agents with links to India. Given reports of British Sikhs facing similar threats, what steps is the government taking to secure their safety?
Important extradition requests have not been responded to from their side, in the fact that there are individuals and organizations who are clearly involved with violence and illegal activities in India, who themselves declared it. I mean, it is not a secret.
Five Eyes nations have raised concerns about the actions of agents with links to India targeting Sikh activists here in the United Kingdom. Most disturbingly, there has been alleged assassinations and foiled assassination plot. Given reports of British Sikhs facing similar threats, what steps is the government taking to secure their safety?
I thank the Honourable Lady for the question. She's aware that the government is continually assessing the potential threats to individual rights and freedoms and safety across the United Kingdom, and I thank her for the effort she's made to represent her views to me in a different forum. Whenever we identify such threats, we will always use every measure at our disposal, including our intelligence services, to mitigate any threat to individuals. And in the first instance, I would urge anyone concerned for their safety to contact the police. She will also...
Transnational repression to silence dissent in democracies is extremely serious, and in recent months, Five Eyes nations have raised concerns about the actions of agents with links to India targeting Sikh activists here in the United Kingdom. Most disturbingly, there has been alleged assassinations and foiled assassination plots, and the US and Canadian authorities have taken the lead at senior levels to publicly call out this challenge to their sovereignty, to the rule of law and their democratic values. Given reports of British Sikhs facing similar threats, what steps is the government taking to secure their safety, and will he show the same strength as our partners to publicly defend their democratic rights?
Let me be completely clear. If there are any specific threats against any British citizen by any foreign power, we will take immediate action. The Sikh community should be as safe in the United Kingdom as every other community in the United Kingdom. All British citizens are equal, whatever their colour, creed, faith or political allegiance. The reality is that we have taken all the action we believe is appropriate at this stage. We maintain a very close relationship, of course, with our Five Eyes partners, and we are absolutely clear that when or if the situation changes and we need to take action, we will do so.
Minister.